You see, it's nice and light and golden. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste. Wow. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken wings. We're going to be making them Chinese restaurant takeout style. All the ingredients will be found in the description box. So I'm going to be pretty quick about this recipe because I know my videos are pretty long. So let's go ahead and begin. So here I have all my spices. And my spices are black pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, sugar, and salt. And to that I'm going to add soy sauce, sesame oil, and Shaoxing wine. And Shaoxing wine is Chinese rice cooking wine. You can just get that from the Asian market. I'm going to add 1 whole egg. I'm just going to mix those ingredients together. And this chicken, believe it or not, doesn't have a lot of flour on it. The batter is really thin. So I'm just mixing these ingredients right here really well. This is our marinade. Now I have 10 chicken wings that I've already cut up, and I just cut mine in segments. You don't have to cut yours into segments if you don't want to. But I just prefer mine into segments. So I'm going to rub all that into the chicken. And really just squeeze that chicken, squeeze it into the chicken really thoroughly. Then after thoroughly mixing everything, I have here some flour and cornstarch. And like I said, all the measurements are in the description box and it will pop up in the bottom of the video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and ring the notification bell. So that way you'll be notified of my uploads. So I'm just mixing the flour and cornstarch into the chicken really well, okay? Just make sure all that chicken's coated. I'm squeezing the chicken really hard to make sure this is really coating all that chicken. So you can let this sit in your fridge for overnight and bring it out and let it come to room temperature before you cook it, or you can let it marinate for up to 2.5 hours at room temp. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them marinate because they're still pretty cold, and after about 2 hours they'll be a nice room temperature. So I let my chicken sit for 3 hours, and I just want to show you what the chicken should look like. It should, if it looks too watery, as you see, my coating is still pretty thick. But if it looks too watery, you need to add additional cornstarch and flour, the same amount. So it'll be an additional 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of flour, and just continue to add that amount until you get like a nice thick but thin coating on the outside of the chicken. So I have some canola oil that I'm heating, that I have heated to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to head and add the chicken to it. We're going to twice fry the chicken. So I'm only going to add just a couple of pieces of chicken here, a few pieces of chicken. I don't want to overcrowd my pot. I'm using a smaller pot, but if I was using a larger pot, I'll probably put like 2 whole pieces in there. You don't want to overcrowd your pot because if you do, it will drop the temperature of the oil. So I'm going to let this fry for 5 minutes, and then we're going to remove it from the oil. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to remove the chicken from the oil. We're going to go ahead and cook all the chicken 5 minutes, and then we're going to let it cool, and then we're going to refry it again. So we'll be back doing the refrying process. So I let my chicken cool for about 10 minutes, and I brought my temperature of my oil up to about 355 degrees, and we're going to fry these again for about 5 minutes. And remember, do not overcrowd your pot with your oil in it. So my chicken is now done. Look at that beautiful golden chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and fry up all my chicken the same way. Here is our beautiful chicken. Let me give you a close-up so you can actually see it better. You see, it's nice and light and golden. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. Wow. Inside, nice and juicy. This tastes just like the Chinese restaurant. Absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. I'm sure it'd be even better if you let it sit for 24 hours. Please give this recipe a try. And leave a comment down below. Please let me know what would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. Please remember to live and be well. Let's come together and love each other. It's just so much horrible things going on right now. Let's just really try to be better people, be better to each other. Thank you so much for watching.